guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and thank you for joining us today. Today I'm going to share with you how to make, these are just Parmesan Zucchini fries. I love them. They're really delicious. They're really easy. I eat them quite often. They're pretty good, crunch-wise when you first make them, but if you have to heat them up, I'm going to be honest, they lose their crunchiness. I do add a little bit of breadcrumbs to mine to help make them a little bit more crunchier, but you can do whatever you want. This is kind of like a roadmap for you. I just wanted to share it with you. These are baked and not fried, and they're delicious. So I hope you guys give these a try. It's zucchini season. Well, it's going to be, if you're planting zucchinis like I am, I get a ton. So for me, zucchini is always on rotate in our household. So I just wanted to share the recipe with you. So without further ado, let's get to the recipe. Okay, so for this, you're obviously going to need zucchinis. I just cut them into these little fried rod things. You make them as big or as small as you want. You're going to need some salt. And here I have some oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and some chili powder, pepper. You're going to need a cooking spray of your choice. And then here I just have some Parmesan cheese and maybe a tablespoon or so of breadcrumbs. And you'll also want to preheat your oven to 380 degrees. So first thing we'll do is we will combine our Parmesan mixture so that we can dip our fries into here. I'm going to add in the garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and oregano. And then salt and pepper. Again, pepper and then salt is to your taste. I do a pinch of each. And remember, you have chili powder in here, so you're already going to have a little bit of a kick. Okay, I'm going to give this a nice stir. Perfection. So, what we're going to do next is take our zucchini fries. You're going to take your cooking spray and just give them a nice zhuzh. You can also just drizzle them with olive oil, but I find that it always makes them extra soggy. So then all you do, take one rod at a time, and you just zhuzh this here. And then what I do is I put them on my prepared baking sheet, which I already lined with aluminum foil and sprayed with some nonstick cooking spray. And you're going to put them down on here. Pretty much the same kind of concept as my Parmesan crusted chicken tenders, except I add chili to this because I find that kick really makes the zucchini shine. Okay, here are our spears. I'm going to go ahead and just lightly coat them with some olive oil spray. I'm going to put them in our preheated oven, which is preheated at 380 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm making sure to flip them over midway through, and then you have a delicious side dish.